resize image or photos in MS Paint in any Windows PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can resize your image or photo in MS Paint in any Windows PC or laptop. For that, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go for this PC option, and here you have to select the one of the picture from your device. And once you have selected this picture, you go for the right click option and go for the open with MS Paint here. Go for the open with MS Paint. So once you have open with MS Paint, so here you have to select this photo. So first of all, you have to select this photo here. So once you have select this photo, here you have to go for the resize option, and here you can see that percentage or aspect ratio here. So here you can change this, and after that here you can resize your photo. Go for the OK option here. So here you can see that again, go for the resize option. Go and set it to the 500. Go for the OK option here. So here you can see that you can successfully resize your image on your MS Paint. So with the help of this process. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next. That's it for today. If you like this video.